Greetings, Cobra. You're live in Revolutionary Camp. You're at the MJ Grand Hotel. How's your lodging been?
Great. No complaint. Wonderful.
Top class. Let's take a walk out here and show everybody the rest of our outside look. Right now we're in the lobby and we have some of our tour members out there still negotiating and shopping. Yes, Shana, you still shopping? You still putting in orders?
Nah, I gotta pay for my last stuff. they trying to rob me here.
Oh, that's not nice.
I'm joking. No. Yeah.
So yeah, I bet.
So you need to go to the ATM machine.
No. I got no money for them.
That's
For the ATM. I got no money for the ATM. You gonna say decline? No. Decline.
See, that's why everybody comes in big money. Good morning, brother. How are you?
All right, so everybody come with big money.
This is my brother Yusuf, been a great tour member, just a world-class brother, and I really appreciate you and your family coming. I really appreciate y'all just going with the flow and having the greatest time. So just wanted to get some reflections from you. How was your journey? What were some of the best parts of your journey?
Well, the whole journey was pleasant. All but the bus ride, but
yeah, the long bus ride.
The whole journey when we get to our destination is beautiful. The waterfall was one of the most beautiful places I've been. Cape Coast was pretty nice. I really enjoyed it. Seeing the rural areas in Ghana, very pleasant. The people are friendly and lovely. No problems. It's all love. Bomani, one of the best tour guides. You know, I've been in many places. He's one of the best tour guides that I've experienced. It's nice. The hotel accommodations are pretty pleasant. So yes, if I was you, it's well worth your money, even more. So I appreciate you, brother, the money.
Thank you, family.
Yes,
and family, join the next set of journeys we have in 2017.
I'll be back next year.
He'll be back next year. And these brothers have hanged with us over the years. Yes. So what have you thought about the journeys over the years that we have done them?
So far so good. So far so good. You have the experience in it. But because whatever you do the right thing. Always advise people that they used to bring them toward you. Wherever you do it, you want to see them well. So that they will be happy for your journey. Always and all the time, everything go right.
Absolutely, and tell them what are some of the things that you do for our tour members.
Okay, as you can see, what we've been doing is the bracelet for the clue. The bracelet with names, but you have some ready-made. The ready-mades have been written Ghana on it. You have some written here over here. This one is handmade bracelet. That's the handiwork. We don't use machine, we don't use needles, but you just use our real hands to weave them. This one is Louise. I just made this one this morning.
So these are gifts for people who join the journey of a lifetime to Ghana with us.
Yeah,
that's very nice of you. Excellent.
We can give it to everybody.
And
have this one too. That's it. That's the new.
So family, this is Love and Energy. We're live here at MJ Grand Hotel, and we're just connecting with a few of our brothers from the tour, and also our brothers that live here locally here in Ghana. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So I guess we're gonna see you in May 2017. Right. And yes, we have another one of our brothers here. So family, you come and meet a lot of incredible brothers and sisters here. Brother, we've known each other for many years. The first time he journeyed with us was in 2007. Yes, it's been a long time. Just give a quick introduction to our people.
Yeah, I'm Abdul Bassett. I come from the north, and I've known Brother Bomani for almost like 8-9 years now. He's an incredible man, and I'm privileged to be part of the tour. I love everything about this tour. I really enjoy it. I urge everyone to come down to Ghana or to be part of the tour.
Excellent, Bassett. And Bassett is one of our brothers that kind of just network with us along the journey here and there. So you get a chance to really meet a lot of people who are repatriated, but also people that are here that live and do business that have connected and networked with us. So it's a family-full event, and we just do a lot of networking. And here's my good brother right here.
Hey, my name is Daniel, AKB Design, represent. Welcome to Africa, Ghana. Umani, you are the man.
Well, tell our brothers and sisters what are some of the things that you can do for them when they come to Ghana here?
Yeah, you always want to make them happy. You know, here's their home. As long as you are black, you're from Africa. You understand? We need all guys in Ghana.
You're a man of many services. You've helped out a lot of our people and showed them around and connected them. That's what I'm saying. I want you to share with our people what you can do for them when they come here.
Yo, we're going to chill. I'm going to show them a lot of places to have fun together, you know, because here's their home. We make sure they are safe. Thank you. Blessed.
Yes, family. And we're giving you a nice view of the MJ Grand Hotel. And this is the car park here. And we have Sister Abina. And she's here as a top university student, just journeying with us and studying our works. Yes, family. But the journey continues. You'll hear from her, giving you a live view of the MJ Grand Hotel. This is our departure day, and we're getting things together to depart back to Accra Airport. And once again, family, this is an incredible neighborhood. The MJ Grand Hotel. The lodging has been incredible for our group. Everyone has been just well relaxed, feel great. And that's our brother right here that's going to say farewell to us later.
I hope you enjoy staying at the MJ Grand Hotel.
Everything has been incredible.
I will hope to see you another time at MJ Grand Hotel.
Yes, family. Appreciate the hospitality, and we will see you. The journey will continue.
Thank you very much.
Let me give you a different view.
Welcome,